I have with me Kabiyesi Laminisa, the Timi of Edeland, and my left-hand side, I have the Akireile of Ikireile. We're here to present the communique of a recent meeting that we just had in the palace of our father, the Ooni of Ife, Oba Adeyeye Ogunwusi, Ojaja II. This day, 19th day of August 2025, Osun LG turmoil. Council of Obas calls President Tinubu to intervene, says traditional institutions, local communities badly impacted by withheld local government allocations. Traditional rulers across Osun State under the aegis of Osun Council of Obas have called on President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, to, as a matter of public importance, intervene and resolve all matters obstructing the prompt payment of local government allocations across Osun State. The situation, they said, have paralyzed activities across the state. Speaking after a meeting at the Ile Oodua Palace of Ife, the monarchs, who were hosted by their permanent chairman, the Ile Oodua, and Ooni of Ife, Ooni Adeyeye Enitan Ogunwusi, Ojaja II, noted that the traditional institutions and communities across the 30 local government areas and the area office have been negatively impacted by non-payment of the funds as and when due. This is sequel to the decision of the Statutory State Council of Obas meeting earlier held on Thursday, July 3rd, 2025. The council explained that traditional rulers, being natural leaders and closest to the people, are critical stakeholders in nation building, human development, and community engagement, structured to be empowered to perform optimally through a functioning local government administration. As purely apolitical fathers, I'm going to repeat, as purely apolitical fathers of the land, we are not interested in the politics, individual differences of whatever that could be responsible for the seizure of the local government allocations. Our interest is to see a working society and functional local government for the benefit of all, especially the vulnerable individuals across our communities. It is an open secret that the traditional institutions across the country are being upheld through the 5% deductions from the local government allocation. And when this is not available, it will be almost impossible for us to serve our people adequately. It amazes us daily to see secretariats to have suddenly become inactive because the allocations meant for their smooth running have been withheld for several months over issues that have nothing to do with the common people currently suffering the brunt. Our markets, community roads, and other responsibilities of the local government are suffering badly, and we, as traditional rulers, cannot afford to pretend like we do not see these roads. It is on this note that we call on the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, our able leader, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, to intervene as father of the nation. We will be glad if Mr. President can hear the cries of common community dwellers across our farmlands and villages, suffering hugely from the total deactivation of local government activities for several months. Either political or judicial, We wish to implore Mr. President that resolving the crisis will benefit Osun State greatly, especially our rural communities, and also re-energize the traditional institution across the land to continue to complement the Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu-led federal government in the prompt delivery of the renewed hope agenda. Sequel to Mr. President's efforts towards assigning constitutional roles to traditional rulers across the country, in an attempt to foster rural development and civil engagement, we are confident in his ability to resolve whatever might have been responsible for the blockade of Osun State local government allocations. We are sincerely grateful to our leader and father, Mr. President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Duly signed by our leader and father, Ile Oodua Palace, Ooni Adeyeye Enitan Ogunwusi, Ojaja II, Ooni of Ife, on this day. Thank you. I am, on behalf of my colleagues, Alayiluwa Oba Dr. Adedokun Omoniyi Abolarin Aroyinkaye the First, the Orogun of Okeila Orogun in Osun State. Ẹ ṣeun ẹ̀yin ọmọ wa, ẹni ṣiṣẹ́ ṣe Olúwa bá wa wà pẹ̀lú yín. Lápá ọ̀tún mi ni kábíyèsí bàbá Láminísà tìmí ti ìlú Ẹdẹ. Lápá ọwọ́ tó wúlò jù, ọwọ́ òsì mi ni kábíyèsí Akire ilé ti Ìkirè ilé. A pè yín sí ìpàdé yìí láti gbọ́ ohun ẹ̀dùn àwa ọba lábẹ́ bàbá wa kábíyèsí Ọ̀ọ̀nìrìṣà Ọba Enitan Adeyeye Ogunwusi. À ń bẹ bàbá wa president wa alálùbáríkà, ọmọ tó ṣe fi yangàn, bàbá tó ṣe gbójúlé, pé kí wọ́n jọ kí wọ́n wò ṣe mọ́ wa lára ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun nípa owó tó tọ́ sí local government láti bí oṣù bíi 4-5 sẹ́yìn. À ń fi tọwọ́tọwọ́ bẹ̀bẹ̀ nítorí àwọn ọba bàbá la jẹ́ fún gbogbo àwọn ọmọ wa lápá ọ̀tún àti ní apá òsì. A sì lè jókòó ká wo bí nǹkan ṣe ń lọ ká má dá sí i. Òun la ṣe ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ kábíyèsí president wa Ahmed Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFR pé kí wọ́n jọ pé gbogbo hílàhílo tó wà nípa ọ̀rọ̀ owó ìjọba ní agbègbè ìgbèríko kí wọ́n jọ kán bá wa dá sí i. Àmọ́ akitiyan tí wọ́n ń ṣe pé kí ìjọba ní ẹsẹ̀sẹ̀ kùkú kó fọwọ́ múlẹ̀ dáadáa. Ṣùgbọ́n láti bí oṣù 6 ni ìyà ti ń jẹ àwọn èèyàn wa. Tẹ́ bá tiẹ̀ dé ààfin, ìyà ń jẹ gbogbo àwọn olóyè, ìyà ń jẹ gbogbo àwọn tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ láàfin. Ọjà, nǹkan ò lọ déédéé ní gbogbo ìgbèríko. Gbogbo àwọn ọ̀nà tó yẹ kí local government ṣe, gbogbo ẹ̀ ni ó ti doríkodò. A sí lápá ọ̀tún, a sí lápá òsì gẹ́gẹ́ bàbá tó fẹ́ràn àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀. A wá ń bẹ bàbá wa Bola Ahmed Tinubu kí wọ́n jọ, kí wọ́n tètè láàrin, à ń bẹ̀ wọ́n ni, à ń rọ̀ wọ́n ni pé kí wọ́n jọ, kí wọ́n wò ṣe nítorí àwọn ènìyàn wa tó ń jìyà ní ẹsẹ̀ kùkú. A mọ̀ pé látayébáyé ni gbọ́nmi sí omi ò tó ti máa ń wà láàrin àwọn ènìyàn. Ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n á jókòó, wọ́n á sọ̀rọ̀ náà ni fún àlàáfíà àwọn ènìyàn. Nǹkan tí àwọn olóyìnbó máa ń sọ ni pé ó bẹ́tà ká jọ́jọ́ ju pé ká wọ̀ lọ. Àwọn ọmọ wa ò gbọdọ̀ bára wọn jà nítorí wọ́n ní ìfẹ́ àwọn mẹ̀kúnnù. Ìyà sì ń jẹ àwọn mẹ̀kúnnù. Òun la ṣe sọ pé a lè máa wò. Èyí ni àmúbọ̀ ìpàdé tá a ṣe ní gbogbo àwa lọ́balọ́ba ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun, ní Òṣogbo, ní July ni a ti ṣe ìpàdé yìí. A kàn ní pé ká tún wò ẹnu lẹ̀ wò, ká wo ibi tó tún ń lọ. La ṣe wá kú sọ pé nǹkan tá a sọ, ẹ̀bẹ̀ tá a bẹ̀ ní ìpàdé tí ó kọjá níbi tí gbogbo wa wà, kí a kúkú wá fẹnu ẹ̀ jólẹ̀ pé kí bàbá wa, ọlọ́lá wa, president wa, kí wọ́n wò ṣe fún wa, pé kán jẹ́ kí àlàáfíà, ìdàgbàsókè kí ó wà ní àwọn ìgbèríko wa. Ebi ń pa àwọn èèyàn, àwa dẹ̀ ni wọ́n kọ́kọ́ ń sá wá bá. Ó ti sú wa, ó ti rẹ̀ wá, ṣùgbọ́n kò gbúdọ̀ sú wa, kò gbúdọ̀ rẹ̀ wá, nítorí àlàáfíà ìjọba ni à ń fẹ́. Ìrọ̀rùn eku, òun náà ni ìrọ̀rùn ẹyẹ. A mọ̀ pé bàbá wa, president wa, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, wọ́n á tètè gbọ́ ẹ̀dùn ọkàn àwa bàbá lábẹ́ àkóso bàbá wa Ooni Adeyeye Enitan Ogunwusi, Ojaja II, bàbá wa Ooni òrìṣà ti Ile Ife. Ẹ ṣé gan ni, a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín. Ẹ ṣé gan.